Hi friends, thanks so much for coming back to craft with me today, and welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Alyssa, and today's project is this cute little angled pocket flip out album. So this album measures 4.5 by 6.5. I love anything around the 4 by 6 size. So for this one, I just put a doily on the front here, and it says happiness is homemade, and I added some hearts as well. And it's just this cute little album, and it flips out like so, but I will first go over this side. So basically, here's my angled pocket. It is open on the side, so you can easily slide things in. And so since I have this out, this is just a little tag with a banner that I paper clipped onto it. And on the front, I have a little sticker. It doubles as a tuck spot, so I just stuck a journaling card in there. There's also a side pocket in the very back. So I have a few more goodies paper clipped together, just this little journaling card and a scrap underneath. That could be a photo mat, or you could turn it into another journaling card. So those are in the side pocket in the very back. And I will flip this part open. I've got just a little postcard actually, washi taped over onto this side. And then I have another angled pocket or tuck spot here. And then inside there, I just put together this, I guess, journaling card or whatever you want it to be. These papers are from Temu. I have featured them in plenty of my videos already. So that is this side. And then over here, I have another one of those Temu papers. And let me go to the side pocket back here. I just created this little doily pocket, added some flower stickers, and I have a Home Sweet Home journaling card tucked in there. And then here is the inside. Over here, I've got my angled tuck spot, a little sunflower sticker, and a tag for journaling on the inside. And then over here, I have a little cluster embellishment that I previously made, and just a little guest check that I have stamped a little cute bird on. And those are just paper clipped onto this side. So that's it for this angled pocket flip out album. You can see that we have tons of angled pockets and tuck spots in here. So let's go ahead and we can make one of these together. Today I will be working with this Sweet Melody paper pad. I got this at Joann's and I absolutely love this one. It's got flowers and birds, which are two of my favorite things. So I pretty much love every single sheet of paper in this paper pad. So that's what I'm using today. So for the base of the album, you're just going to need a sheet of paper. This measures 9 inches by 6.5 inches. And how cute are these little birds? I love them. So I'll flip it over so you can see where I'm scoring. We're just gonna hold this at the 9-inch side and score right down the middle at 4.5. And then we can just fold that in half. That's gonna be the base of our album. All right, so let's put this aside. And now we're just gonna grab 2 sheets of 6 by 12 paper. So I just cut a 12 by 12 paper in half. So I've got 2 6 by 12s. And we're gonna just hold these at the 12-inch side and score at 4 and 8 inches. So 4 and 8. And we're gonna do the same thing to our other 6 by 12. 4 and 8. All right, so this one here, I'm just gonna fold this side over. And then this side's going backwards. So just alternate your folds so that it looks like this. And then our other 6 by 12, I'm gonna fold the opposite way that I did my first one. So you still get that same sort of fold. And now let's bring back our little booklet here and open it up. And you'll basically have just 2 panels here that are opposite each other. So this one, we're gonna create our angled pocket here, and then it's gonna flip out like this. And then this one will create our angled pocket here, and it will flip out that way. So what I'm gonna do first is angle this one, and I'm just gonna run it through my paper trimmer and kind of just eyeball it like I usually do. And I'll just slice this off. So there's our angled pocket in the front there. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. So if you want, you can take your leftover scrap here and kind of just line it up like this if you want angles that match, but it really doesn't matter. So let me run this one as well through my paper trimmer. So now it's gonna look something like this. And I'm gonna go ahead and just glue down my pockets in the front here. So I'm just gonna pop some glue right on the bottom. Right there, because I still want this side to be open, but you can always close that up if you want. So let's seal that. And we'll do the same thing over here. And close that up. And now we're going to, if you want, create a side pocket behind this whole entire panel. So we're just gonna flip this over to the back, and we're gonna pop some glue on 3 of our edges. Right, and then I'll flip it back, and I'm just gonna place it right down onto this side here. And we'll do the same for this side. And I'll try to line it up with this other side and try to make it match. Okay, so our angled pocket flip out pages are all set. And now for these little scraps, I obviously created, you know, more angled pockets on the insides, but because I used the same paper on both sides here, it kind of just blends in. So, I mean, I could still do an angled pocket over here, but you could even stick one of the leftovers like on the front. So you've got an angled pocket this way and then this one going that way. You know what? I'm just gonna do that. So I don't have to add these to my scrap pile because that pile's getting very large. So I'm just gonna glue this down to my front here. You could also like ink up around the edges of this so that it stands out a little bit more if you're using the same paper on both sides. And I guess I will just stick this one. You could put it here, here, wherever you want. I'll just stick this one over here. Right onto this side. All right, so that's pretty much it. And now we can go ahead and decorate. I'm just using some of the cut aparts from the same paper pad, and I think maybe I'll put another bird on there, or I could put a flower. Maybe a flower, because there are already tons of cute little birds here. And I really love these little cut aparts because they're kind of already inked up around the edge. And so I'm probably just gonna foam tape that onto the front. And I really think that's cute as it is. If you wanted, you could also just put something else along the border, like some scrap strips, some trim, more inking, but I love the simplicity of this, so I'm gonna leave it at that. Now for my inside, there were some bigger cutouts like these that you can journal on. And by the way, I'm sending this message to all of you watching right now. You are strong, lovely, kind, smart, brave, inspiring, dear friend. That's for you if you're watching right now. So these will fit pretty much perfectly inside of my angled pockets in the front here. I don't know, I may have to cut them down a little bit because when you go to open up your angled pocket, like the side here sticking out, might get stuck. I mean, it's not like really bad, but just in case that bothers you, I'm probably just gonna leave it for now. And then maybe I'll stick my little bird here into this angled pocket. And I'm gonna add a sticker as well, kind of just poking out there. This here is just a little sticker, but I'm gonna do another tuck spot like how I did with my first one. So I'll just put a little glue on the back there and stick it right on. And I'll wait for that to dry before I put anything in that tuck spot. I also have a few more of these little sheets from Temu that I backed with some of my heavier cardstock. You can journal on the back, and these have cute little birds on them, so I thought it was great for this little album. And I wonder if they can fit in the back pockets here. Yay, they're going. Okay, that one's going a bit too far. I'm gonna just leave a little bit of it sticking out. And this one, it does fit, but I think I'll put this one somewhere on the inside. I might just paper clip it to this side here. I just cut out this little tag, which was leftover paper from my cover, and I'm gonna foam tape it over onto this side. And then I have like a little notepad of all of these little papers from Temu as well. I'm just gonna possibly washi tape that over here for just some writing space. I think I'll just use like a washi sticker. And on this last side, I think I'll do something like this. These little envelopes I've shown in my videos plenty of times. I think these are from Temu. This is another cut apart from the same paper pack. So I'm just gonna place this over here. And then this one is gonna go up top here. And I'm just gonna leave it open because you can also write in here. And so that's gonna be it for the inside, I think. I need one more thing to stick in this side pocket. Perhaps just one of these chipboard tags can go in the back there. That was a Happy Mail gift. And then my little tuck spot there just needs another little journaling card. And I think that's gonna be it for this one. So we've got all our tuck spots here with goodies, our angled pockets. We've got pockets in the back, on the sides. We can flip this open and we've got tons of room to put goodies, to journal, to put photos. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, so please give it a thumbs up if you did to let me know, and subscribe to my channel for more crafty fun and inspiration. Leave me a comment down below because I love talking to all my friends here, and I will see you all in my next video. Happy crafting, everybody, and huge hugs as well. See you next time.